Hello, this is Joanne, and today I'm gonna teach you the Greek alphabet and the sounds. But first, I'd like to show you the book I had as a child when I was at elementary school. And it's this. This is a special edition, of course, but our book, my book, when I was a child, it was exactly like that, with the same cover and the same content and everything. So it's my favorite one. It's a really good book. So our way as native speakers was this, okay? We had each letter here and the capital one and some titles and some text, of course simple text, and these drawings. So here it says Mila, for example, that means apples, and this is a name for a boy, okay? And then you have the same thing, okay, for everything, and at the end you have some text. When you have learned all the letters and the sounds, you can go on with text. So this was my book, and I would like to show you that. Okay, so let's see the Greek alphabet now. Okay, so pay attention to the handwriting because it's different from what you see on a computer. Sometimes the letters have differences, but basically are the same, of course. Okay, so you have alpha, okay, and this is the lowercase, and we call it alpha. So it's alpha, okay, and the sound is A. Alpha, A. And then we have Vita, okay, and Vita. And the sound is, and we call it Vita. And the sound is V, V, V. And then we have Gamma. And the little one is this one. And it says, and it's called Gamma. Okay? And then Delta. Epsilon. Zeta. Eta. Okay? Theta. Iota. Kappa. Lambda. Mi. Ni. Xi. This is not a good one. Sorry. Xi. Omicron. Okay. And we have more, but I don't have enough board for the rest. 1 minute. Okay, so let's see the sounds. Okay, alpha, no, here, sorry. So, alpha, A, β, β, γάμα, γ, 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 δέλτα, δ, 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 έψιλον, ζήτα, ζ, 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 like mosquitoes. Ζ, ήτα, E. E. For all E, we have the sound is the same. Eta, iota, ypsilon, all the E have different spellings, but the sound the same. E. So eta, E. Theta, iota, E. The same with this one. Eta, E. Iota, E. Kappa, K, K. Lambda, L, L. Mi, Okay, like the cow. I think. So ni, xi, x, 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 and o, omicron, o, the sound o. So we have alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mi, ni, xi, omicron. So far, we have more. Okay? So alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mi, ni, xi, omicron. Okay, and the sound a, v, r, d, e, z, i, f, g, sorry, I'm sorry, i, k, l, m, n, x, o. Okay, the sounds. Okay, give me a minute to move on with the rest. So alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mi, ni, xi, omicron. Okay, and I'm sorry, and we have the rest. Okay, now, so omicron, we were at omicron, so omicron P, okay, P, rho, C, oh come on, sigma, no, this is not sigma, kappa. Okay, sigma, yeah, this is the better one. Sigma, P, rho, sigma, tau, ypsilon, P, rho, sigma, tau, ypsilon, phi, chi, okay, chi, phi, chi, psi, και ωμέγα. That's it. Okay. So we have P, capital, and the lowercase. P. The sound is P, P, P. Okay. P. Ro. The sound R, R. Sigma, S, S, S. Like that. T. This is tough, and the sound is T, T. Y. The sound is E. You remember that for all E we have in the Greek language, the sound is the same. It's E. Okay? And Phi, the sound is like something like that. Like if you blew the candles. So he, like the cats when they're aggressive. This is he. Ps. This is psi, and the sound is ps. Okay? And omega, and the sound, of course, is also o. So that's it. That's it. We learned everything today about the alphabet, and I'll see you in our next lesson, my next video. Bye for now.